And welcome to Google Chrome tutorials. In this video we are going to see that what will be the workaround for you if you're downloading some file and it is getting rejected every time, saying that there are some security issues or something like that. So first of all, the recommendation is not to download such kind of a file if it is coming from an unknown source. The second step that you can follow is maybe try different browsers, probably try Firefox or any other browser that comes to your mind, Safari even. But even if the problem still persists and you want to use Chrome, then also be very careful with this step. So basically what we're going to do in this step is remove the extra layer of protection that actually protects us from downloading malicious file from the internet, download the file, and then we are just going to re-enable this. Okay, so make sure to only perform this step if you are very sure of the source from where the file is coming from. Otherwise, if Chrome is giving you a warning, it's better not to download that file at all. So let's just dive right into the solution. Open up your Chrome, go to these three dots on the top right corner, click on settings. From the settings, go to privacy and security. Here you will find the security option. So you will see that the standard protection is enabled. What you got to do is just go to this option that says that gives you a dialog box to turn off the safe browsing. So let's just click on turn off. That is a no protection thing that is not recommended. So once you've done this, then go back to your site, download the file, and then come back and again switch back to the standard protection. So this is the step, which is pretty simple. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.